Today I'm going to help you solve some of the problems from page 634 to page 637. So it will help you study for the test that we are going to do. So I am going to read the questions. What I am going to ask you is that you get your book, open it on page 634, 635, and the other pages so we can work on these problems together and you can understand and you can follow along what I am doing over here. I have already solved all the problems beforehand. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the problem and solve them on the board. I will do a few problems a time, so this way you can go and work on the other ones that were assigned to you. I am always going to solve even problems because the odd problems were assigned for you to do, okay? So let's see. The first one I am going to work on is problem number 10 on page 635. And these are the information that I have. So let's read it. Mrs. Holler's homeroom collected 18, 22, 34, 17, and 5 cans of food each day last week. Select the appropriate measure of central tendency to describe the data and justify your answer. So the measures of tendency are what? Median, mean, and mode. So for this information here, the first thing we have to do is to order the numbers. So here we go, glasses off. So ordering these numbers, I have 5, and then 17, 18, 22, and 34. So what I have to find? Mean, median, and mode. The median is 18. It's the number that is right in the middle. We've done this many times before. So I write here that the median is 18. The mode. Since there are no numbers that are repeated, there is no mode. So no mode. And then the mean. The mean is the mean one, right? You have to add everything and divide, in this case, divide by 5. So I've done this before. So if I add all these numbers, I get 96 divided by 5, which is 19.2. So I have these two informations. The median is 18, no mode, and the mean is 19.2. The question is asking me what? To select the appropriate measure of central tendency to describe the data. How do I choose that? How do I select an information to describe the data that I have? In this case here, look, if I choose, first, there's no mode, so let's not choose that, right? Second, if I choose the median or the mean, which one am I going to choose? The best one here is the median. The median is the one that describes the information, it describes it better. Why? Because if I use the mean, look, I have two possible outliers here. 34, which is higher, very high, and I have 5 that is what? Much lower than the rest of the information. See, the rest of the information seems to be tightened up or closer together. So if I choose the median, that is a number that represents my information much better than the mean, because the mean is here disguised because there is a number that's very high and another number that is very low. I hope I have helped you with that information. Then I am going to solve also problem number 12. So let's read problem number 12. A booster club sold 61, 71, 68, and 70 magnets. If they sell 98 magnets next week, which measure of central tendency will change the most? So we have to do what? For us to know what changed the most, we need to know what? The measures of central tendency before and after the change. So this is what we are going to do right now. So now I am working on question number 12. And the information that I have before the change is 61, 71, 68, and 70. So those are the numbers that I have before the 98 is added. So I have to find all the information before including 98 and then after including 98. So I am going to do it twice on the same problem to see which changes the most. So first thing, let's order our data. Let's never forget to order the data. One mistake is lack of order in the data. So this way median it interferes with the median especially. So let's see, the order here is 61 and then 68, 70, and 71. So the things that I have to find here, the mean, the median, and the mode. The mode in this one is easy, no mode. Then the median and the mean. The median I have to go what? Divide my information in the middle. So this here is the number that's going to be the median. Since there's no number right here in the middle, what do I do? Add these two numbers, 68 plus 70, and I divide by 2. And this is 69. So my median is 69. And then my mean. Mean is what? 61 plus 68 plus 70 plus 71 divided by 4. And I've done, let me see, I've done this here, which is 270 divided by 4, 67.5. So this is with the first given numbers. Now I am going to get to my second set, which is the number 98 was added to my information. So here I have again 61, 68, 70, 71, but now I have what? The number 98 that was added to the information. So I have to find same thing, mean, median, and mode. So the mean for this information is what? Adding all these numbers, dividing by 5. I get what? 368 divided by 5, which is 73.6. So the mean, 73.6. The median. Now look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have a number in the middle. So my median here is 70. And I continue having no mode. So no mode. So if you look, the median went from 69 to 70. So just went one up. And this one from 67 all the way to 73. So the one that changed the most here was the mean. And that's what you have to do when you're looking for information this way. If the data changes, then you have to change the information, calculate twice, and then you can solve the problem. Thank you for watching.